Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today, happy 4th of July everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day today. So what better way to start your 4th of July than a top fragrance pick from Bath & Body Works for 4th of July. Yes, this video is my top picks for this year's 2024 4th of July, and we're gonna get into it. Of course, today's lip look, y'all, I had to do it. Today I had to go in with some Firecracker Red, baby, oh yeah. And we have Tropic Flame over at Banger Beauty by Mary. Tropic Flame, she's a bright, fiery red. I love this color. It's got that big, beautiful doe foot applicator. And y'all, this one smells and tastes like high C fruit punch. I love this scent. One of our top sellers from Lost in Paradise. Definitely love it. Get over there and check out some Tropic Flame. Let's hop into this video. Y'all, I am so excited. 4th of July is probably my second most favorite holiday of the year. I love just getting together with family and friends and having a good time, cooking out, swimming in the pool, maybe going to the beach for the day here at Lake Erie Beach. And of course, fireworks. I mean, you can't have 4th of July without fireworks. But yeah, it's just a great time of year. And I was really sitting like, what am I gonna wear? What's my scent gonna be this 4th of July? Which prompted this video. So let's hop into it. My first pick is actually, might surprise you. It's watermelon lemonade. Yep, watermelon lemonade. This is the newest one from SAS. Y'all, this was a good one. Scent notes are watermelon ice, sparkling water, and sugared lemon. And if you saw my review and comparison of this newest version, it is exactly like my favorite version of them that came out, it was like 5 or 6 years ago. I talked about it in that video. It's a very tart lemonade, predominantly lemonade. Even though it says watermelon lemonade, it's predominantly lemonade. I love this one. It's just so summery and bright and vibrant. And I'm sure you might be drinking some lemonade today. You might want to throw a little Tito's in there, baby. Just a little, that might be something I might do. That just might be something I might do, I don't know. But yeah, and where's some watermelon lemonade? I mean, you cannot go wrong with this scent. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I love it. Definitely tart lemonade, and I love it. I'm here for it. Next one. Y'all, if you're going to the beach, I highly recommend taking Getaway Sare. She was from that luxury line. Scent notes are sun-kissed mandarin, tuberose, and solar musk. It just envelops everything that's like screams beach day. Yes, it has what some people call like a sunscreen scent, but it also kind of reminds me of Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc. There's a few other scents that are very tuberose heavy like this one, and I love it. It just screams sunshine and summertime, and I love this scent. So I think this would be a perfect scent if you're doing something along the beach for 4th of July. Getaway Soiree, baby. Absolutely, absolutely. Another one, y'all. This one makes me think of like apple pie on 4th of July. Because, you know, I think almost every cookout for 4th of July that I've ever been to, there's an apple pie there. And like always, every single time. And it's Falling For You by Scentworks. I've talked about this scent numerous times on this channel. Scentworks, it does not exist anymore so far as the fragrances from Kohl's anymore. They also made my favorite vanilla ever, which is golden vanilla, which I'm hoarding the last bit I have left. But this was fire. Scent notes are cinnamon vanilla, sweet apple, and sugar glaze. Yo, it literally smells like a piece of apple pie with a scoop of like super vanilla ice cream. I freaking love this scent. It came out in their fall collection a few years ago. I want to say it was 2021. But yo, this absolutely can be worn 4th of July. Very reminiscent of apple pie. I love this one. You could probably still find this one on Mercari, by the way. Falling For You by Scentworks. For sure, for sure. Now, How can you have 4th of July without a good slice of watermelon, right? Right. So in honor of that, pink watermelon blast. Yep, this one came out a couple years ago. It's juicy pink watermelon, sugared strawberry blossoms, and lime zest. What this really smells like to me is a piece of watermelon Hubba Bubba bubblegum. That is what this smells like. Do you remember the kind they had, like, the outside of it was like a bright green and then the middle looked like the bright pink of a watermelon? That's what this smells like. And it's freaking amazing. I love it. It's super watermelon-y. It's like a candied watermelon. It's not authentic watermelon, but I love it. Highly recommend this one. Now, for those of you that would like still want to keep in the vibe of summertime and just want to be like, baby, I want to smell like coconuts, this coconut I'm about to show you is fire! It is a Wahoo Coconut Sunset. Yo, this one right here. Scent notes are coconut blossom, sparkling bergamot, beach tuberose, Hawaiian Manoi, and molten amber. This and Bali Black Coconut Sands is probably one of my 2 favorite coconuts from Bath & Body. But you really get the Hawaiian Manoi in here. You get the tuberose. You get that beautiful coconut. You get amber. I don't really get a lot of bergamot. I get predominantly coconut, tuberose, Manoi, and amber, and it's gorgeous. It's like a sexy grown-up coconut, and I freaking love this one. This one can kind of be comparable to Cocoa Paradise, but I think Cocoa Paradise doesn't have quite as much warmth as this one does. That's why I like it. Highly recommend a Wahoo Coconut Sunset. Now, for my fresh girlies, because I know I have some fresh girlies in here that aren't into all these other kind of scents. They like fresh aquatics. Y'all, I've been in aquatics big time this year. So if you want like a real aquatic vibe, like maybe you're lounging poolside 4th of July, and you want that aquatic vibe, y'all, On the Horizon. On the Horizon, she was also from that luxury line, fire. Oh, that whole line was banging. Scent notes are watery bergamot, blue lotus, and driftwood moss. Oh, I love this one. It is a deep, dark, sexy aquatic. It like kind of draws you in when you smell this on someone. You're kind of like, it does kind of come across a little bit unisex. However, on me, this wears amazingly. It's super sexy. I love this scent. Very aquatic, but it has this real deep darkness to it, and I love it. I've gotten mad compliments on this one from men. Oh, yes. So, if you want that freshy aquatic, On the Horizon is what you're going to wear, baby. That's what you're going to wear. I got 2 left. For us gourmand girls, I think of like ice cream treats on the 4th of July and, you know, just kids running around with ice cream all over their face. And one of the things that reminds me of all the time is orange vanilla twist. Yes. Like the sherbet, like kind of like a push pop. That's what that reminds me of. Y'all, we were eating ice cream out of toilet paper holders, y'all. Toilet paper rolls. That's what that was. But it was fire. Scent notes are juicy orange, summer sherbet, and vanilla creme. Y'all, they did this one so freaking good. Exactly like how this looks with the orange sherbet and the vanilla is exactly how it smells, and it's freaking amazing. Very sugary, sweet orange sherbet with vanilla. Smells like a push-up pop ice cream treat, and I love this scent. Highly recommend this for 4th of July for sure. You will be smelling fire, baby, fire. And my number 1 pick, and I think I've picked this for the past 3 4th of Julys. I've ended up wearing this because I don't know why, but it just, for whatever reason, resonates with me. This tends to be a hit or a miss with some people, depending on how you like cherry scents. Yep. Did I give it away? It is none other than the OG Firecracker Pop. Yep, on 4th of July, Firecracker Pop? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This was when she first came out. She matches my shirt, y'all. Thumbnail. Scent notes are red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. Y'all, when this scent first came out, I fell in love. Fell in love with it. I know a lot of people at the time were saying it kind of smelled like cough medicine. And I have friends of mine who were just like, ugh, I can't believe you like that one. But for me, this smells like an amazing cherry bomb pop. That is what this smells like. Yes, and the longer I've had her, because she came out, when was this one? I want to say it was 2000. See, I got a damn sticker on it. The sticker on the bottom says it was $15.50 when it came out. I can't get the sticker off. Yeah, but look. Look at the sticker. Is it upside down? Yes, it is, ding dong. Yeah. $15.50 for a body mist. It just smells like a cherry bomb pop for me. And the longer this has sat, the more predominant that heavy cherry is. And I love it. She smells amazing, super cherry. It kind of almost is leaning toward cherry pie now that it's aged so much. But I love this one. I absolutely love it. So I'm not 100% positive I'm going to reach for this today yet, but we'll see, we'll see. I still got a couple of hours before we're going to be bouncing out of here. So, yeah. But that is my top picks for 4th of July, 2024. What are you guys wearing today? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. What are your plans? Are you going over family? Are you just hanging out at home? Are you going to watch fireworks? What are you doing? Let your girl know. And as always, make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some Tropic Flame. When this collection is gone, they're going to be gone because I have new stuff coming for fall, holiday, Halloween. Yeah, so when these collections are gone, they're going to be gone. I will not be keeping them stocked. So make sure you grab it while you can. And we're at my favorite part. Y'all ready? 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 Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye. Happy 4th of July!